guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna make a delicious chicken salad. It's one of my hubby's favorites. As you can see, I'm not in my kitchen today. I'm actually at my daughter and son-in-law's house for the week. I am doing some fur babysitting. I'll go ahead and insert a picture of the three cuties right here. So I'm gonna be at her house this week. I wanted to make sure I put a video together for you guys. So we're gonna do a simple but delicious chicken salad. So here are the list of ingredients you're gonna need for this. I roasted a chicken last night, and all I did was I just diced it, chopped it really small. My husband doesn't like big chunks of chicken in his chicken salad, so that's what I did. You guys can always leave it bigger if you'd like, so just chopped chicken. I have about 2 celery stalks right here that I've diced really thin, small. Again, my husband doesn't like big chunks in his chicken salad, so I went ahead and diced that really small. I have 1 lemon that we're gonna be using the lemon juice from. I have about 4 or 5 green onion or scallions, diced really small. I have about a tablespoon or so of fresh parsley, diced as well. I have about a teaspoon of dill seasoning. And then I have a cup of Hellmann's mayonnaise, and then about a tablespoon or so of Grey Poupon Dijon mustard. You're also gonna need some salt and pepper to taste. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to make this delicious chicken salad. So let's go make some chicken salad, guys. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the chicken. We're gonna dump that in a bowl. And we're gonna just dump everything in. So that was the chicken, then the diced celery, our diced scallions. And the reason why I like scallions in this is onion is so potent. I think it takes over the chicken salad. So I like the scallions. It gives it a little bit of the onion, but not overpowering, if that makes sense. Our parsley, our dill. We're gonna do salt and pepper. And we could always adjust the seasoning. So just however much you guys want. That looks good for now, and we'll taste it. We're gonna go ahead and give this just a little mix real quick. We're gonna do the juice of a lemon, and this was a relatively small lemon. So I would say probably a couple of teaspoons of lemon. Smells good already. Okay, and then our mayonnaise. Again, it was a cup. And we could always add more, but this should be fine. And of course, I'll put the list of ingredients and measurements in the description box for you guys. That looks great. And then our Dijon mustard. Probably about a tablespoon if I had to guess. Looks great. And we're gonna go ahead and give this a nice mix. And we definitely wanna have this chilled before we serve it. So I'm putting this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours before I serve it to my hubby. Now, he loves provolone cheese on his. You guys can always add some cheese, which is really nice. Now, if you like nuts or grapes, I know a lot of people do that in their salad, their chicken salad. You guys can always add your favorite nuts to it, or like I said, grapes. We don't like that in our chicken salad, so I'm not adding that, especially not my husband. He just likes it pretty plain. And like I said, the chicken not to be chunky. That looks great. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to taste it for seasoning. And see if we need to add anything to it. That's actually perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and refrigerate this for a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it together and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so I'm just taking my chicken salad out of the refrigerator. I'm going to put it on a bit of lettuce to make it pretty for you guys. But you could always use bread. This is my husband's favorite. This is the Dave's Killer Bread, 21 whole grain and seeds. He absolutely loves this bread if you guys want to do bread instead. And like I said, he puts some cheese on his, and it's really, really good. You could toast it or just leave it plain. I'm just going to go ahead and serve it on some lettuce for you guys. Again, to make it look all pretty and fancy. And all you're going to do is you're going to just take a nice amount right in the middle. Like that. And then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of paprika on the top. Again, just to make it look pretty and fancy. And that's it, guys. That's how quick and easy it is to make chicken salad. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It's absolutely delicious. Again, it's my hubby's favorite, so I'm making it for him. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you guys. And I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe and put your notifications on so that you guys don't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.